Today I am reviewing Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is one of the standout tablets of 2024, offering a perfect balance between performance, portability, and affordability. Whether you're a student, a professional, a parent, or someone who just wants a reliable device for streaming and entertainment, the Tab A9 Plus has a lot to offer. Starting with the display, this tablet features a large 11-inch screen with a 1920 by 1200 Full HD resolution. The screen is bright, vibrant, and sharp, making it ideal for watching movies, browsing social media, reading ebooks, or even attending online classes. One of the most impressive aspects of this display is the 90 Hz refresh rate, which ensures smooth scrolling and fluid visuals, especially during gaming or video playback. The high refresh rate makes every swipe and tap feel more responsive and enjoyable. Moving to audio, Samsung has equipped this tablet with quad speakers powered by Dolby Atmos, which deliver an immersive sound experience. This means you get clear highs, rich mids, and deeper bass compared to other tablets in the same price range. Listening to music, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows feels almost cinematic. Whether it's action-packed movies or calm background music while studying, the sound quality significantly enhances the overall experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus comes with an upgraded chipset, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and fast performance, even when running multiple apps at the same time. You can easily open emails, browse the web, watch videos, and take notes all on one screen without facing lag or slowdown. For users who need more storage, the tablet also supports microSD cards, allowing you to expand storage up to 128 GB or more. This is perfect for storing videos, photos, games, and other large files without worrying about running out of space. One of the standout features of this tablet is its multi-window functionality, which allows you to run two apps side by side. For example, you could watch a YouTube video while taking notes in Google Docs or check emails while browsing the web. This makes the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus a highly productive device, not just an entertainment tablet. For parents, the Samsung Kids app is a game changer. It provides a safe, controlled environment where children can learn and play without exposure to inappropriate content. There are tons of games, educational tools, and interactive activities that make this tablet ideal for families. Parents can easily manage screen time and app access, giving them peace of mind while the kids enjoy their tablet. The design of the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is both slim and lightweight, making it extremely portable. You can carry it around the house, take it to school, or even use it on trips without feeling weighed down. Despite being thin, it is also durable, which is important for everyday use and for households with kids. Its graphite color gives it a sleek, modern look, while the build quality ensures it feels premium in hand. Connectivity is another area where this tablet excels. You can easily make video calls, answer messages, or transfer files between devices using QuickShare. Additionally, Smart View allows you to cast content directly to a Samsung TV, which is perfect for family movie nights or streaming sports on a larger screen. For anyone working remotely or learning online, these features make the Tab A9 Plus a versatile companion. Battery life is equally impressive. With up to 13 hours of usage, you can watch movies, play games, read, or work throughout the day without constantly needing to recharge. Even if the battery does run low, Samsung's charging technology allows you to recharge efficiently and get back to work or play in no time. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is an excellent all-around tablet for 2024. It combines a large, high-quality display, immersive quad-speaker audio, powerful performance, and family-friendly features in a sleek and portable design. Whether you're using it for entertainment, work, study, or family activities, this tablet handles it all with ease. With its durable build, smooth performance, and a wide range of features, the Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is one of the best tablets available in its class. It's perfect for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance tablet that can cater to multiple users and multiple needs.